Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is a pick a card reading. This is going to cover the topic your romantic life in 2022. Maybe you're single and ready to mingle, or maybe you have feelings for someone and you want to know what is the future of this connection. Or perhaps pile A, B, C, you may be in a romantic connection already and you want to know the status of your relationship. We will find out what your person is thinking about you in 2022. We have three piles here. As you see, there are three bracelets lined up, so you can pick any bracelet you like. This is bracelet A, this is B, and this is C. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, these are your messages for 2022. The first card in your reading is a very positive 8 of Wands here. Certainly, you are going to be much admired by the opposite sex. Possibly, many of you could also meet that special someone on account of a journey. Maybe somebody wants to send a note to you. Largely, I think this is a very communicative card, so you are going to have news with respect to your love life. You are going to be quite active and in the midst of things. Incidentally, pile A, I'm also picking up that there could be unwanted attention which could bother you. I think you should live within your boundaries rather than string anyone along. We all like attention, but sometimes, there could be a lull if we don't reciprocate. So in case you have feelings for someone who is pursuing you, I think you should give that person a chance this 2022. It's the time to acknowledge your feelings rather than be hesitant. The next card in this reading is Mask. Possibly, some of you fancy someone, but this person is not wearing his heart on his sleeve. He is wearing a mask, so to speak. He is cloaking his feelings, or he is concealing his feelings from you. Maybe because of this 8 of Wands, you want to communicate with this believe that this person is going to spurn your advances because he doesn't want to get into commitment with you. You want answers from this person, that is why you want to communicate with this person. We do have the 8 of Wands, so maybe you believe it's time to reach out to this person you fancy, but then you may decide against it because you believe that this person isn't going to reciprocate, or he is not going to respond to your feelings, though in your heart you do know that this person does care for you. The next card in this reading is Dragonfly, which talks about emergence. I think your love life is going to develop. It is going to transform into the next phase. Maybe because of the 8 of Wands, it could happen very rapidly and unexpectedly. You could be quite unprepared for the same. I think the key here is to be more mature. When you handle your love life, you should be more conscious and aware. Maybe this connection is also making you spiritually quite aware. In the course of the year, there could also be certain hiccups which you need to deal with. Maybe your family members aren't too pleased with your growing fondness for this person. Or perhaps your person is also wanting to figure out what is it that he needs. Maybe something is missing in his life and he needs to fix that aspect of his life before he can proceed with you, or before he can take this connection. This could also affect your romantic connection. Maybe there are lurking limitations here. I think at times this person may also want to be all by himself, to figure everything out. Interestingly, pile A, you and your person could be mirroring each other. You could be a reflection of each other. It says here, beware of what you are projecting, because the qualities you admire in one another are the qualities you both possess. There are certain qualities which you desire, which you like in your person, and these are the qualities which are also going to be present in you. Likewise, I think there are going to be certain habits which you may frown upon, and the same qualities could also be present in you. So basically, pile A, you and your person could be quite alike as two peas in a pod. From the Love Oracle deck, we have this card, My Soul's Language. I think you understand each other perfectly well. You read each other's thoughts. You're in sync. Whether there's a separation in this relationship, or whether there's a physical distance, or whether it's an unacknowledged relationship, I think the two of you can pick each other's vibrations. There's a spiritual connection which cannot be ignored. You still take my breath away. This is a very lovely message to have in your reading. This person is definitely mesmerized by you. He finds you very charming. In fact, every time he looks at you, you simply take his breath away. The last card in this reading is Red Rose. There's something quite enchanting and bewitching about you or about this relationship. I think you need to appreciate the thoughtful nature of your person rather than carp. Like I said, singletons, you could be coming across as someone who is quite enchanting, someone who is quite rule-worthy. You're going to have your fair share of admirers. You're going to be sought after by the opposite sex. Maybe your person is also going to acknowledge that conversations he has with you are quite profound. He does go weak in the knees. He is very passionate about you. I think you shouldn't neglect each other. You should always appreciate, even if there are going to be so certain gifts which your person gives you, you should understand that it is the thought that counts more than the material aspect of the relationship. All in all, Pile, in case you're single, I think your prospects are very good to find that special someone. Even if you're romancing, I think you need time apart, but you also need to enjoy the profound conversations. Your person is definitely deeply and madly in love with you this 2022. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. You pick Pile B, which is this bracelet right here. Let's see what's in store for you with respect to matters of the heart in 2022. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is a very positive King of Wands. Possibly, many of you are dealing with someone who's a leader or who is quite authoritative when it comes to professional matters. This person could also be quite creative. I think you need someone who is quite passionate and driven. This is the energy which is coming in. Or you could be dealing with this person who is like the King of Wands. In case you're single, there are going to be admirers for you. Maybe you're somebody who is not giving this person a chance. You're quite authoritative and dogmatic. Maybe this person sees you as someone who is not responsive or who's snubbing his advances. Definitely, your admirers are taken up because of your beauty, your intelligence, your eyes. Maybe this person is also recollecting past instances where the two of you have met. Definitely you're going to be uppermost on the mind of this person. Perhaps Pile B, you're also dealing with a person with whom you have had a past life relationship. Maybe there are interrelated destinies involved here. Even if there's no physical contact with this person, you can feel his presence. In the 5D plane, you're very connected to each other. I think this person could also make travel plans to be in your city to meet up with you. Definitely you're going to be enjoying light-hearted flirtation here. But the universe is also asking you to take everything with a grain of salt, because we have this card, destruction. Possibly, there are going to be certain roadblocks that you need to maneuver. Some things are going to fall apart if this relationship is to emerge stronger. Maybe there are outside influences. Perhaps your family members are dissuading you from forming a connection. Or like I said, this person could be making travel plans, but then at the last minute, these plans could be altered. I think the health of a person around you could also affect this connection. Or maybe your own health could be quite worrisome for your person. Nevertheless, I think, Pile B, this person is somebody who is going to be very supportive of you at work. Your relationship will definitely benefit if you spend time with Mother Earth, reconnect with each other, be attentive to your surroundings, especially to birds and animals or these creatures which are guiding you in your relationship this year. There's an angelic presence in your life which is supporting this connection. Like I said, you could be connected in the 5D plane. So also your spirit guides and animals also supporting this relationship. Remarkably, this person sees you as an angel. You're someone who is quite divine in his eyes. You're somebody who is very caring and supportive of things around you. Even if you're a leader of the pack, you're quite empathetic. You're concerned about the well-beings of others. Maybe you're also somebody who sacrifices yourself because of the responsibilities at hand. At times you could also question this relationship. This card is asking you to look inside yourself. Maybe there are times when you could be quite upset. Maybe this person is also very dominating when it comes to this connection. I think there could be times when you could be complaining about each other. Like I said, you may feel that your person is inattentive. Sometimes, we could use the other person as a punching bag, so you should look closely as to what is it that you're doing. Trash the issues out, discuss what's bothering you rather than sweep everything under the carpet. Maybe that is why we have this card, letter, messages, love notes. You need to communicate with each other. Maybe a romantic love note from your person, or even you could do the same so it could lift your spirits up. For some of you, Palbi, this letter could signify a reconnection. It could mean that you need to reconnect with this person. Or maybe the social media is the way forward if you want a relationship to blossom. Incidentally, this person also regards you as someone who is quite irreplaceable. There's no one like you. There's no one who compares to you. You're simply the best, so to speak. This person has a huge corner for you, and that's something which he knows that nobody else can fill. The last card in this reading is Horns, which talks about dominance. Like I said, this person could be a bit dominating. Maybe he is also someone who is quite protective of you. He is quite possessive. He wants you to do well at work. He may be concerned because there are others who are eyeing you, or there are other suitors who are vying for your attention. That is why he is overtly protective of you. But again, Palbi, this person could also be a bit possessive. Concern for you could make him fretful. I think this is a year when you're going to reconfirm your feelings for each other. Sometimes, your conversations could also revolve around your respective families, or your financial condition, or even your person's financial condition. This person definitely wants to take the lead when it comes to your relationship or connection. He wants to be more creative and flirtatious. He wants to come across as someone who is quite intelligent in conversations, or even on the work front. All in all, Palbi, this person definitely sees you as an angel. He definitely wants to be there for you. He sees you as someone who is quite irreplaceable. Besides, like I said, you're going to reconfirm your feelings for each other. I hope, Palbi, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Palsi, which is this bracelet here, let's find out what is in store for you with respect to your love life this 2022. The first card in this reading is the Knight of Wands. Certainly, this is a very adventurous and active card, so you may be coming across as a person who is quite up and about, or perhaps this is a person who is entering your life, offering you that cup of love. This person is very impatient. He wants to have a quick connection with you. I think you also have options when it comes to matters of the heart. Maybe you're also reconnecting with someone whom you have feelings for. This person could be re-entering your life in 2022. I think you could be quite confused about your feelings for this person. Sometimes he could be quite dashing. He could come in uninhibited and he could express his love for you, but other times he could go quiet. So you may wonder about the status of this relationship. Maybe some of you are also going through matrimonial sites this year, or dating sites. You're looking at prospective suitors. This person is also someone who's quite popular with the opposite sex. He could be doing well professionally, but he could also be quite distracted because of the tendency to rush headlong. Suddenly, Palsi, the next card in this reading is shadow work. Maybe there are certain negative habits or patterns which you should look into. There could be certain things which you have overlooked in the past. So you need to address those issues if you want this relationship to proceed. In Pisces, this person could be re-entering your life. So maybe you believe this person needs to sort his issues. Perhaps this person also feels that you have other options. He is concerned about your past with another person as well. The next card in this reading is Desert, which talks about vision quest. Maybe the two of you also need to spend time alone, enjoy the quiet environment, pray and meditate. Sometimes you need to reflect about this connection. Perhaps for some of you, this could also mean that there could be dreams about your lover or your love interest. Maybe you could also be in a trance-like state this year. For many of you, you could also understand that you have deep feelings for this person. Maybe this is something which you desired in the past, so this 2022 is giving you the opportunity to rekindle this romance, to understand your own feelings for this person. This person is also going to go all out to woo you. He is going to make an attempt to be there for you. There'll be date nights planned, or there'll be times when you could also show him off to your friends and acquaintances. Maybe you want your loved ones to be familiar with this person. The grass wasn't greener on the other side. In the course of your relationship, there could be times in this year when you or the other person will realize that this relationship is for keeps, even if there are other attractions. This person or even you will realize that there's something more to this relationship. There's no point looking elsewhere. Rather, you should cherish what is before you. I said, if this person is re-entering, he is doing so because he realizes his foolishness. He realizes that he has made a mistake in the past by ignoring his feelings for you. Basically, no one compares to you. That's why he is re-entering your life. The universe is also asking you to be patient. Time is the next card here. Give this relationship a chance. Give this relationship some time. Nothing happens before it's meant to be. It's all preordained, so to speak. So definitely the universe wants you to understand that time is a factor in your relationship. You should allow your relationship to blossom, to nurture, instead of try too hard to impress each other. From the Love Oracle deck, I have this card. I have loved none but you. This person is going to reconfirm his feelings for you. He is going to make that love offer. He is going to woo you with flowers this year. He realizes that he shouldn't have looked elsewhere because his feelings for you are real and for keeps. It's quite ironic and it's quite reassuring because we have this card. It all comes down to timing. So there are recurring messages in this reading. It's all about divine timing. Like I said, nothing happens before time. So you should give this relationship a chance. You should allow it to develop. It's a very spiritual connection. The last card in this reading is Great Satisfaction. You're going to celebrate your love for each other. Maybe there's going to be a formal proposal for many of you. There'll be dinner dates, like I said. There'll be quiet times with this person, which is going to give you the satisfaction that you desire. Pisces, this is a very positive reading with respect to your love life. The Knight of Wands is a very impatient and adventurous person, but this reading is also asking you to understand that nothing happens before time. I hope I'll see you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.